Like Gargamel. Wait, like Gargamel?
Red. Say yay! That was so cool. They're all done. Bye fireworks. Bye cool moon. Okay, baby, we're still walking. That was fun though, huh? He wants to still walk in the grass. That grass is awesome. It's like a sponge.
Hey, Bradley.
It's called sod.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Sod grass?
That comes in with the grass and the...
Sod underneath or something?
Yeah.
The
What?
mud or what do you call
Braxton.
it? Dirt.
Braxton, say
Oh, moss?
hello.
Hello.
Say hello, love.
Hello, love. Hello, love.
So cool.
What are you putting in your pocket?
He's got his tickets.
Oh, yeah.
Baseball tickets.
I do too. I get mine first. Look at Yeah!
You got it, sweetie. Get him in there. Push him real hard. There you go. You did
You
it.
can start a...
You want to run again?
You can start a baseball